Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get denim material on dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I have put skirt on my avatar and I'm going to show you how we can change the skirt material to denim. If we want to do that, we can click on this icon and then select the skirt, and we just need to click on this, you can click on this plus icon to change the material of your outfit. I'm going to change the color and click on this plus icon, and here you can click on denim, and as you can see that the material of this skirt has been changed to denim. And here we'll be able to apply other materials, but since we want to get denim, we can click on denim. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get a denim material on dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.